guys, it's Susan and welcome to my channel. I'm here with lovely Ella and we are in the FIKA Coex Mall. We're just gonna do some cafe hopping, maybe, perhaps shopping. So we are going to Cafe FIKA, which is a Swedish cafe and bakery because this girl is obsessed with Sweden. She's even studying Swedish. Okay, then let's go. Ooh. Why you look at me like that? I don't even know what this is. Oh, almond tea cookies. What? Cute. It does look cute. This looks cute. So we both got a chai latte. Ella got cold and I got a hot one, and I have literally no idea why mine is green. So maybe I got something else? I don't know. I don't know. What was it? The almond tea?
Yes, almond tea cookie.
Okay. Do. Okay, you're broken.
One first season.
Oh, I will get the first. Oh, let's eat together. So I'm going to try my possibly not chai latte. Oh my god. It doesn't even smell like chai. It's like smells like matcha. I think it's matcha. Do you want to try as well? Here. That's definitely matcha. I hate matcha. I'm going back. So right now they're making me a real chai latte because I was definitely matcha. I don't like that.
You don't like matcha?
No. It tastes like grass. One hot chai latte for Susan with a heart. And they have a collection of mugs here. They are the cutest. So here, of course, the logo. And then on every other side, there's something Swedish, I guess.
This is the dollar hat.
What she says. And then I'm zooming in now. There are all the mugs. So Ella, she got pancakes. There she is.
They even have little lingonberries on them.
That really looks nice. Now I wish I ordered as well, but I just had this morning.
You're going to share it with me, right?
Yes. See how ugly Ella can be? Well, this is cute. It's not even.
It's gross.
Oh no, it's weird.
That's how photogenic I am.
Okay, so we started something that we go to places to grade pancakes, so this is gonna be on our list right now. Trying my first bite. I think it is cream cheese actually. So we don't know what the white stuff is. So charming. But it tastes really good. It's the best one so far, I think. I don't know, yeah. So we just gave FIKA in the Coex Mall an 8 out of 10, which means it's the best one so far. So super randomly, I brought Rummy Cup to the cafe and we're gonna play it. Ella has never tried it, so I'm gonna explain and let's see what happens. I'm excited though. We we are really getting started right now. Yours. Your turn. Well done, girl. My turn?
Yeah, your turn.
Let's see. So I won. This was my final move, and I still have this one left. I don't need it, but let's make it here just to finish the game. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
So tonight I'm going to have dinner with Ella, Anna, and Jane. Then go clubbing, have some drinks. Well, just have drinks. I don't know about the like whole clubbing, but I don't know. So let's end the vlog here. I'm not gonna film tonight anyways. Thank you for watching.
Yay, bye,
Bye.
Susan's audience.
Thumbs up, subscribe. Let's make heart. Bye. Okay.